This week's lab explores the frequency response of a basic-sided single-degree of freedom system. This lab will not involve a physical component, and it will be purely numerical simulation using MATLAB. That being said, let's cover a few new MATLAB commands that will help you to succeed in this lab. First of all, we will be dealing with complex variables. So it's important to know that in MATLAB we can use either the letters J or I to represent the imaginary unit. So, with that in mind, let's make our own complex variables so that we have an example to work with. So let's use x, we'll set that equal to 3 plus 5j. Alright, so to obtain the magnitude of a complex variable in MATLAB, we use the abs command. So let's try it out in our example. So we'll say that magnitude is equal to abs x. Now to obtain the phase of a complex variable, we have to use the angle command. So let's try this out as well. So we'll say that phase is equal to angle x. Now we can run this script and see our results here in the command window. Another useful tool we can use in MATLAB is the run section function. Sometimes you will write a script file but then want to run just one portion of it. To accomplish this, you have to divide your code into sections using 2% signs, like what's used to make a comment. So let's add a section to our script file after declaring a complex variable x. So I'll just add another line and then add 2% signs. And you can see that right now the bottom section is highlighted. This highlighted portion is referred to as a section. And so we can click up here, and this is the first section. Down here is the second section. Alright, so at the top of the window you can see that we have the option to run section. So this will only run the section of the script that is currently highlighted. So let's try this now by running this section with just the magnitude and phase. Alright, so you can see that in the command window that we only have the results for magnitude and phase that got ran again. And we did not reassign the value of x. So there will be times where you can use this run section function to your advantage.